Before firmware updates, ensure the battery level of QooCam 8K is over 50%. Open the QooCam app. When new firmware is available, there will be a prompt shown in QooCam app for firmware upgrading. Tap Download and start downloading the firmware package. When it is done, press the power button for 2 seconds to turn on QooCam 8K. Scroll down, click the Wi-Fi button to open Wi-Fi. Go to the phone's Wi-Fi setting, choose QooCam 8K's Wi-Fi, and type the password 12345678. Open QooCam app, a firmware update pop-up appears. Click OK to transfer the firmware package. The firmware package will then transfer to the camera. After the transferring, the camera will automatically update the firmware. During the process, the power light flashes quickly. Don't touch the screen or any button, or switch the camera off. When the camera upgrade is completed, the camera will automatically turn off and on, and then you can use the updated device.